It's 2 weeks before I move and I haven't started packing. Why? Because I'm a professional organizer and I'm filming the top 7 things to do before you start packing. These tips are in no particular order because every move is a different situation. If you want to know more details about my move and the videos I'm shooting, look around in the description. Tip number 6, consolidate. Like us, you may not have a lot of time and space to wrap your brain around your move and start preparing for it. So if you can incorporate it into your everyday life, that's a bonus. Start looking for things that can be condensed, reduced, made smaller. Here are some examples.
You can mimic a space bag with just a plain trash bag. Squeeze the air out and reduce the size of a down comforter, puffy jacket, or some pillows. Tie it off tight. Look around for anything inflatable and start deflating. Enjoy the cool breeze and take a few deep breaths while you do so. Roll it up to squeeze the last remaining air, and you're done. Don't forget to put the plug back into the hole. Go to your packing station and use some high-end painter's tape to wrap it up. Then add it to the baskets of weights to move later. Rugs and yoga mats can start to be rolled up. You can use painter's tape or you can use packing tape. Don't forget to leave a little tab on the edge so you can easily rip it off when it's time to unpack. And the wine rack? Let's lighten that load. Yeah.